Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can apply for a Canadian Tire credit card. In order to do so, here we are at ctfs.com. And as you can see, we have the Canadian Tire Money card that's available, and you can apply by just clicking on Apply Now. Or we could take a look here to view all cards. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the options are. Any moment here, we'll just wait for this to load up. Okay, and here we go. So we've got the Triangle credit card. There's the Triangle Rewards, Triangle MasterCard, Triangle World Elite MasterCard. And so you can come and just click on Apply Now to whichever one you may be interested in. And let's just go ahead and click on the Apply Now for the Triangle MasterCard. We'll just give it a moment here to load up. Okay, and here we have it. Let's just go ahead and accept our cookies. It says here, this should take less than 5 minutes. So a few things to consider. You must be a Canadian resident and the age of majority in your province. And then you can go ahead and click here, let's get started. And then you have some helpful information here, what you need to know. We've got our annual interest rate, our grace period, a minimum payment, foreign currency conversion, annual fees, other fees. So you can look through all of this information, and once you're done, then you can go ahead and click on Got It. And then from there, you can enter in your information and continue through the steps. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.